Hey, you know what? It's pronunciation time. It's time to practice our pronunciation of the words and idioms that we've been studying so hard in this section. First, I will say each word or idiom slowly. Then I will repeat it, but at regular speed. After that, I'll use the word or idiom in a sentence, and we'll practice our pronunciation of that sentence. You may have heard these sentences before. At any time, you can rewind the video and have me repeat and say the word or idiom again. You can even change the audio speed. In this course, I'm digital. I'm like a robot. You can control me. I can say the word or idiom all day long if you want to. Remember, the best way to improve your pronunciation is with lots of practice. Each time I ask you to, repeat out loud. Let's do it together. Let's improve your pronunciation. Let's get started. At the drop of a hat. At the drop of a hat. At the drop of a hat, George was off running. Behavior. Behavior. Tommy's grandpa said, "Your behavior is horrible." Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. All George could think was, actions speak louder than words. Abstain. Abstain. George is trying to abstain from eating too much sugar. Let's move on to the next lecture.